So what is a good 2 lenses 1 camera travel combo featuring the Sony a7C II? I recently went on a family trip to Okinoshima, a remote island located far off the coast of Shimane Prefecture. My sister-in-law's husband's parents are living there, and paying them a visit was a perfect opportunity to try out a set of 2 lenses that would allow me taking all sorts of photographs that I planned on taking while remaining very light and compact. The Sony a7C II is an awesome camera that I got a couple of months ago, and my really positive opinion about it has not faded out. But if there is one thing required to really benefit from the compactness and lightweight of this camera body, is pairing it with equally small and easy to carry lenses. I wanted something that would allow me to take nice contextual portraits. I love the 35mm focal length for that, and a more general purpose zoom lens that offers versatility to adapt to different shooting scenarios. I decided to opt for the Sigma 35mm f2 prime lens and the kit lens I just made a video about, the infamous Sony 28-260. Destination Okinoshima. マッシュ久しぶり。Talking first about the 35mm prime, I shot extensively with it when I was still using my Sony a7 IV, and my only complaint I had about it was that it was just at the edge of being too heavy for what it offers. A prime lens only opening at f2. But don't get me wrong, because f2 on full frame is already plenty enough in my opinion. It is just that given it only goes down to f2, I was hoping for something a touch lighter. I did mention though that it could make a difference to pair it to the Sony a7C II, sparing 100 grams or so on the camera body, and it seems that I was right. I had it around my neck for a while with the Sigma Prime, and the weight loss on the camera body made an impactful difference. I really like the images captured through this lens. Sigma lenses have a very distinctive look, very sharp and full of micro contrast. Some people may find them a bit too clinical, but I like this look, and I'm glad I sold the f1.4 version and kept this one. You lose a little bit of light and bokeh, but in return you get something a lot more compact and lightweight. それは違う。こうやってこう。 Now I don't want to sound like a broken record because my last video was about this 28 to 60 kit lens, and since I started to shoot with this lens, I've had a lot of fun playing with it and pushing it to its limits. I was lucky to start photography about 9 years ago with a decent budget, so I quickly got my hands on a full frame camera, and what came next was a premium zoom and some f1.4 prime lenses. I had all the gear but no skill, and I was not really knowing what I was doing. Now I'm in a very different situation. I don't have all the skills yet, but I have a little hang on this thing we call photography, and now I love using my skill and knowledge to extract the most of limited and seemingly lower quality gear. And if you know that you are not going to shoot at night and don't expect to take a nice creamy bokeh portrait, this little zoom lens is a fantastic fit into a light travel setup. You get a decent range and very good sharpness at all apertures and all focal lengths, and there is basically no other solution that offers such versatility at this weight, so it was an excellent pairing with the 35mm prime.どう思いますか？どう思う？そっちが面白いよ。カメラは別に。眠たい？ジョー？You're missing the view. I don't know yet exactly how long this video will be, but maybe it's a bit shorter than the usual ones. I took a lot of footage when I was in Okinoshima, but it was more directed towards family stuff. I took a lot of videos of my nephew and all that, and I did a separate video that I shared with my family, so it's a bit more private, and I could extract as much as I could to make this video, maybe a shorter one than usual, but still, I hope you liked it. And anyway, there will be another one in 1 week, so we'll catch up at this time. Bye.